In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D pie chart in Google Sheets. This process is simple and effective for visually representing your data and can be accomplished with just a few straightforward steps. Let's jump right in so you can get started on your project. First, open Google Sheets and create a new sheet, or open an existing one that contains the data you'd like to display in a 3D pie chart. It's crucial to ensure your data is organized, with categories and their corresponding values listed clearly. Typically, you'd place the categories in one column and their respective values in an adjacent column. This straightforward setup will make it easier for Google Sheets to interpret and visualize your data. Once your data is ready, select the range that includes all the categories and values you want to feature in the pie chart. This selection step is essential as it tells Google Sheets exactly which data to use when creating the chart. With your data selected, go to the menu at the top and click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to search for the Chart option. Selecting Chart prompts Google Sheets to automatically generate a chart using the data you've highlighted. Immediately after inserting the chart, Google Sheets may present you with a default chart type. Don't worry if it isn't a pie chart. We can easily adjust this. In the Chart Editor panel that appears on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a Chart Type drop-down menu. Click this menu, and you'll find a variety of chart styles to choose from. Scroll through until you locate Pie Chart and select it. This action instructs Google Sheets to convert your default chart into a pie chart. Now, to give your pie chart a 3D effect, you'll need to enable the 3D option. In the Chart Editor, navigate to the Customize tab. Here, you'll find a section called Chart Style. Within this section, look for a checkbox labeled 3D. By checking this box, you'll transform your standard pie chart into a 3D pie chart, adding depth and visual interest. With your 3D pie chart now created, you can further customize it to suit your preferences and make the data even more engaging. Consider experimenting with the color scheme to better distinguish between different segments, or adjust the chart size to fit your document layout. Additionally, the Customize tab offers various formatting options to refine your chart's appearance, such as adding chart and legend titles or adjusting the font style and size. Hope you find this guide useful and have fun exploring the possibilities with your new 3D pie chart. Whether you're preparing a presentation or just organizing your own data, enhancing your data visualization skills is always a great move. Feel free to reach out with questions or share your results. Have a great time showcasing your data in Google Sheets.